Welcome to ipNX Tech Advisory Series. In this video, you will learn how to use the ipNX Corporate Pay portal. Log into the portal with your username and password. If you're unable to access your login details, please send a mail to corporatebill@ipnxnigeria.net. On the landing page, you will see a list of invoices that are due for payment. Click on the invoice you wish to make payment for, and you'll see a list of services under that invoice. Mark the service or services you'd like to make payment for and then click on Pay. You can either pay with your wallet balance by making a transfer into the account details seen on the right side of your screen, or you can pay with Paystack by clicking on Pay with Paystack. Choose the best payment option that suits you. Follow the prompt on your screen to complete the payment process. For further assistance on how to use the portal, please send a mail to corporatebill@ipnxnigeria.net, or you can call our billing team on 0201 63400 18, 0201 63400 19, 0201 63400 20, or 0201 62800 59.